Welcome on board Flight 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain Emmanuel. Thank you for choosing Salvation Airline, and I assure you comfort as bestowed in John 3 verse 16 and John 10:10. In just a few hours, Flight 2023 will be taking off from January Airport to December Airport. Please be reminded that during our flight, we will land in 12 interesting sites, taking us a total of 365 amazing days. We shall be cruising at uncountable blessings per day and at million miles above sorrow level. The weather may be cloudy, but grace is sufficient. There may be some turbulence, but divine intervention is certain. The Prince of Peace will speak peace, be still, to your storms. The angels are our cabin crew. They will supply all your needs according to His riches in glory. You shall not want. Our menu includes peace, grace, mercy, favor, sound health, success, and prosperity. Amazingly, they are all free. Please fasten your prayer belt. You and your family will land safely. For more information about your safety on board, please always contact your safety manual, the Bible, on a daily basis. For any questions, the Holy Spirit shall give you answers any time. In Jesus, there shall be no loss. Please advertise this flight to all you know.